Hello, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. Today I am taking you to a very beautiful place which is totally man-made and it's in Kullu. Although Kullu and Manali do not need any introduction, these are the places which enhance the beauty of Himachal. There are many natural tourist attractions and people come here in lakhs and give revenue of crores every year. There are many natural places like Manikaran, which has hot natural water geysers, Bijli Mahadev, where you find Shivlinga made up of local butter donated by localites. Beauty of old and new Manali is really enchanting. Nagar Castle has beautiful carvings. Bekli Devi in Kullu, Hadimba Devi Temple, which is very ancient. It's in Manali. Lovely Jogni Falls, Van Vihar Manali, Niyampa Monastery Lahore, and Kasol Village, Siali Mahadev Manali, Brigu Lake Rohtang, Manalsu River Solang, Rani Sui Lake. But today I am talking about a man-made place by the name of Babeli Nature Park. It's in Kullu, where a piece of ordinary land is converted into extraordinary, which is very green and beautiful, and where you can find lovely Himachali architecture model of ancient houses and clean and clear blue skies above, lush green grass carpet underneath. Bias River water is taken to a lake inside it where you can do boating. This was inaugurated in 2001 and from then only it is one of the main tourist attractions of Kullu, from where you can find beautiful view of Bias River as it is situated on its bank. Chirping of birds there can make you fall in love with that place. Preserved by Forest Department, there are nominal charges to see this place. You can get these tickets from ticket counters easily. You can enjoy boating for 100 meters. This is the first park in district which has musical fountain, waterfall and many other things for children. Close to National Highway 21, a few kilometers, Kullu towards Manali.